Welcome to the next part of Chapter 3, Our Environment. Let's get right into it. So we're going to be talking about synonyms. A synonym is a word or phrase that has the exact same or exact meaning of another word or phrase. This means that even if I take one word from a sentence and I replace it with a synonym, the sentence will still have the same meaning. Let's try it with examples provided. Risk. I can use the word risk in a sentence and say, you are at risk of getting hurt. If I change the word risk with the word danger and I say, you are at danger of getting hurt, the sentence still has the same meaning because I used a synonym for risk. So different word, different spelling, different pronunciation, more or less the same meaning. And it won't change the meaning of the sentence. Let's try and find synonyms for the word in the left column and write it down in the right hand column. Do you know a synonym for the word ocean? We can use the word sea. Do you know a synonym for the word happen? We can use the word occur. For example, when did this happen? You can also say, when did this occur? Can you think of a synonym for the word cause? We can use the word source. So we can say, what is the cause of your anger? We can also say, what is the source of your anger? Do you know a synonym for the word animals? We can use the word creatures. Do you know a synonym for the word man? We can use the word male. We can say, there is a male walking down the road. There is a man walking down the road. Same sentence meaning. Do you know of a synonym for the word grow? We can use the word enlarge. Can you think of a synonym for the word problem? We can use the word issue. For example, what seems to be the problem? Or what seems to be the issue? So that's what synonyms are. It's a word or phrase that has the same or exact meaning of another word or phrase. So we're going to have a look at the picture below. We are going to describe what we see. And then we're going to look at what's written over here. What do you see that makes you happy? What do you see that makes you sad? What about the photo makes you worried? How do you think we can change the situation in this photo? So I'm going to answer a few of the questions to give you an idea, and then you will be answering the question and describing what you see in the photo below. So what do I see that makes me happy? I see a hot air balloon, a bright colored hot air balloon, which makes me happy because it makes me think of adventure. I see 2 airplanes in the sky, which makes me happy because it makes me think about traveling, meeting new people, getting to do with new cultures, going to new places, again, going on adventures. The blue sky makes me happy. The green bushes surrounding the buildings makes me happy because it makes me think of health. It makes me think the earth is healthy, as well as the green grass. The green grass makes me think that the earth is healthy. The grass is healthy. It makes me think of being outside on a hot summer's day. The pool of water, again, makes me happy, makes me think of a warm summer's day, maybe swimming in the pool, maybe having a picnic on the green grass by the green trees in front of the water pool. The water as well makes me think of life, because all living organisms need water to continue living. And what makes me sad will have to be the picture right side. I don't like the grey skies with all of the clouds. I don't like the dead grass. It doesn't look happy. It doesn't look like a nice place to be. I don't like the smoke, the dark colored smoke coming out of the mountains. The water pool is empty. There's no water, so it makes me think of death. As I said, all living organisms need water to live. If there's no water, there cannot be any life. The crack in the earth is also quite sad. And overall, the picture just makes me think of a healthy side and an unhealthy side. What about the photo makes you worried? So it makes me worried that this picture is quite realistic. If I think about it very closely, it makes me think that the left-hand side is definitely busy changing into the right-hand side. We as humans are not taking care of Earth. We are not cautious enough. We are littering. We are polluting. We are not looking after Earth, and with global warming and everything, I think that it's definitely a reality that we are moving from the left side to the right side. So that is what is quite worrisome about this photo. And then how do you think we can change the situation in the photo? So as I said, we know how to behave as humans. We know that we shouldn't be littering. We know that we should be a bit more green. We should try and recycle. We should try and limit our wastes. We should try and help Earth to become healthy again. I think we should plant a lot of trees instead of cutting them down. I think we should look into our energy sources. There are a lot of unsustainable energy sources going on at the moment. And I think we should just all stand together. Doesn't matter if only a few people start looking after Earth and trying to better our environment, because it has to take all of us to fix Earth. And I am actually also worried, to get back to the worried part of the assignment or question, I'm worried that this Earth is affecting all of our people's health. People aren't healthy anymore because of all the gases that are being emitted, because of all of the pollution. So yes, that's what I think. I would love to know what you think about this picture. Maybe you see different things than what I see. Maybe different things make you happy, different things make you sad and worried. And maybe you can think of different ways how we can change this situation. I will see you in our next part, in our next chapter.